How's it going, guys? Today we have this 2019 Murray M135 38-inch. Customer just dropped off. This was too many people involved, but I thought they were wanting a drive belt. They were wanting a deck belt, so I went and picked one up locally. So we are going to install this and then level the deck. He didn't ask for the deck to be leveled initially, but when I was looking at it with him when he dropped it off, it's pretty far out of whack. So we're gonna get this off. We're gonna have to probably pull that retainer thing on there. I don't think it'll fit underneath, but it might. Okay. Yeah, apparently another shop quoted him $200. I think his story was off. I think he was telling people the drive belt. He meant the deck belt. Because there's no way a shop is going to charge $200 to swap this. What do we got for retainer bolts? There's no way someone's going to charge $200. I even talked to him on the phone, and he said $200, and I was like, well, some models you have to like pull the transaxle. This one you have to pull the battery out, looks like, to get to it. Probably do without the transaxle. This one might be actually one of the ones that you have to pull that. I'm not sure. So I quoted him $100 to it for half, but I can't charge him $100 to do this. There's no way. What am I grabbing here? 7/16 maybe? Nope. Oh my gosh, am I gonna throw everything? Need the extension. And it's gonna be all crusty. I think you can get by with just pulling one and loosening the other, but I might just pull them both. I've had a lot of issues with this. Come out. It's worked great for years, but lately it keeps doing what it was just doing there. Alright, now I'll flip the other side, pull these other two bolts, throw the other one on. Everyone says I need to charge more for all this stuff, but I know for a fact I struggle with billing. But I don't know. The other thing is, I think the other shop was charging to get them in quicker. I think. He said this, oh man, a moth came out of nowhere. He said this other shop, no, I guess not the other shop. He said that when he looked at it, this belt was shot, that it was just chewed up like crazy. I had this engaged to check the pulleys, but it definitely doesn't look like that. No. That belt's still in actually pretty good shape, but it could be stretched, or someone put on the wrong belt. What the heck is this? Is this a theft device? Huh. Okay. I don't know who's gonna steal a $30 belt, but you should never know nowadays. Yeah, it's The old one actually looks maybe a little bit smaller. Maybe I went off the OEM part number. Well, cut it off and throw it on there and see what happens. There's a spoon. Why is there a spoon in there? Never found a spoon in a mower before. He said that we worked on this last year, but I don't remember this mower. I think I remember it from 2 years ago. I don't know about last year. He said, I know the oil change, all that's good. It was done last year, you guys did it. And I was like, I don't remember that, but okay. I'm still gonna check it. I could have done it last year, I guess. I just don't remember. But the shields to keep the belt from falling off. That's seems like too much slop, man. It's not bad, I guess, when it's not riding on the ground. Alright, let's fire it up and see. Put a spoon in the cup holder. I don't know. He said it was squealing like crazy when he engaged it, so it was just off a little bit, I guess. I'll make sure the deck's good to go. This is pretty level. It's not 100% in here, but what are we at? It's about caster. Just about 3. Yeah, we're at 2, just under 2.5 here. He said it was pretty low, so we'll bring this up to match the other side. Come on, there's a half right, yeah. I think it's loose already. Guess I need to spin on the other side. Okay, where are we at there? Where it looks like the next notch down or up. Maybe we know. There's exactly 3. It's like you didn't want to put any money into it except for what we agreed on, which is just the belt. Hey guys, that steering shaft rubbing on the wire loom too. It's the downfall with there's people that don't want to put any money into them. Not too leaky of an engine though. Some of them are pretty leaky. This one's an oldie but a goodie. That oil should be changed. I'll wipe it off, check the level. Hate wearing shorts out here because my knees are all nasty from kneeling on the ground. Yeah, oil needs to be changed. It's actually low too. That's right at the add mark. Yeah. I really should have some more. I'm not going to charge them for it. Pulls air filter. What do you think? Do not overfill. Oh, look at that, right on the money. Perfect, right at the line. Okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna check the air filter. Oh, not bad. Not too shabby. I can't believe they want to charge $200. That's nuts. Okay. Well, I'm gonna give it a little more of a test cut and then call it good. Make sure it's not going crazy. But yeah, there we go. I was replacing the deck belt. That's super simple. There had to be miscommunication. That had to be for the drive belt. That quote. There's no way a shop charge quote $200. Even an OEM belt's $50. That takes 10 minutes to do, if that. Take out 4 bolts. Yeah. Alright, well that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys next video.